Hi everybody, we're here at Bobby's Hobbies, and this is the little 040 Rivarossi with the super detailed side rod running assembly, and she's a real beaut. Look at that. I mean, she's lubed up and fixed her up, and she runs great. Of course, it's funny how every time I go on camera, they get gun shy. Let's see if she can make it around. She's got a small wheelbase. Oh, she's going all right. She's jumping a little bit. So I don't know exactly. I don't want to strain it too much because you never know what these. Oh, look at this. A tree fell. That could. Let me put this out of the way. That could cause some trouble. Let's just see. She seems to be running great. She sounds a little weird though. Do you see the light on it? I'm not sure I do. Oh yeah, it's very faint. Maybe if we get her to go the other way. Yeah, I saw the light. All right, well, she's good. All right.